guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today I will be doing a cooking video. I will be making shrimp cocktail. I will be showing you how to make it. It's pretty easy. Mostly it's a lot of preparing and mixing, but it's really simple. If you would like to know how to make it, stay tuned. Okay guys, so for this shrimp cocktail, I will be dicing up 2 tomatoes and peeling 1 cucumber. I like to take off the ends a little bit and then rub them on the cucumber because I believe that takes away the sourness before you dice it or whatever. But you do you. I went along and sliced the cucumber into 4. You will be needing a container that's big enough to hold everything because we're going to be putting in quite a few of vegetables and some liquid in the end because it's going to be kind of liquidy, obviously. And here, I believe I used 3 avocados that were kind of small, or you could just use like 2 big ones. I go ahead and cut it into halves, take out the little pit, and then cut it like in a checkered board format and do this for all of them. And here I will be using 2 Serrano peppers, really small diced, because I don't like to take a bite like of a really big piece of pepper because it's way too spicy. This is my preference. You can dice it up however you like. And then I go along with my spoon and take out half of the avocado and then the other half with the spoon. And you will be doing this for all 3 of your avocados. As you see here, there's like a lot of eyeballing, as you will see in this video later on. Please guys, deal with me. This is just how I cook or prepare. And then I have some cilantro, just a little bit, that I'm gonna go ahead and chop. Not finely, but just a little bit. Pour that into your container. This is the only onion that I had, a really small one. You would want to use 1 medium-sized onion and dice it. I tried squeezing the lemon, it was too hard. I go in and just eyeball the salt. Use a generous amount of ketchup. As I said, I eyeball everything. This one was running low, so I had to get a new one. And here I'm putting in some hot sauce. You can put in any hot sauce. I'm doing Valentina brand. Also a generous amount. And here my boyfriend is going in and squeezing a lemon. I tend to use 1.5 limes. I call them lemons. I know. I'm gonna be, for my liquids, using V8, and I think that's tomato juice, and the brand is Clamato, but don't hold me to it. V8, the original. And then I'm gonna be going in with the Clamato brand. And then you're gonna be putting in your shrimp. It was quite a little bit of shrimp, but that's what they had at the store. I tend to use a little bit more shrimp. You're gonna go in there and just mix everything. Make sure you pour enough. Make sure you pour enough liquid, because it's gonna be kind of like a soup kind of based dish. I thought I needed a little bit more hot sauce. You can taste it and see what it needs. Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like videos like these, please subscribe down below. Give me a like. Thank you for watching.